Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn about typecasting in Python. So what is a typecasting? Typecasting is the process of converting a variable from one data type to another, either explicitly or implicitly. So I have prepared examples here, four examples on implicit typecasting and two examples on implicit typecasting. So example number one is string to integer conversion. So we can see that this is a string saved in this variable, and this variable is a string. So now we are explicitly converting this variable into integer by using the integer function, and we are saving the that object into a variable called uptime days. And now we can multiply this value or variable with 24. We just go into IPython. Now if I just copy and paste this line of codes, you can now see that the result is 120. So now let's talk about example number two, which is list to string conversion. So here we see that this is a list of strings, and we are saving this into our variable called iplist. And now we are using the join method to concatenate or combine the list of strings into a single string. So let me just copy and paste this line of code. Now so join is a string method. So this comma here, comma space, this is a string. And we are, like I said, calling the join method to basically combine the list of strings into a single string. And the separator or delimiter is the comma and space. So now if we print the IP string variable, we see that it's now a string. Okay, and the third example is float to integer conversion. So here, this is a float. Okay, and we are explicitly converting the float into integer by using the int function. And now if we print this, should be integer now, from float just 36.7 into just 36. And the example number four is concatenating strings and integers. So here, this is a string, and 101 is a integer or number, and we are explicitly converting integer into string using the str function. So now we can concatenate this string and this string because both are now string. And now if we print the variable device name, we see that this is the new name. Let's now talk about implicit typecasting. Implicit typecasting is basically converting a variable from one data type to another automatically without us manually converting the value or variable. Okay, so let's go over an example here. So this is an integer, and here we are doing a arithmetic. So we are dividing total uptime by 2. So Python implicitly converts the result to a float. So now the result is a float. So that's how Python automatically or implicitly converts the result to a float. And example number 2 is Boolean to integer conversion. So here, this is a Boolean value, and here on this line, Python implicitly converts true to 1. So when you are doing arithmetic in Python, the value or the variable that is true, Python automatically converts it into 1. So that's what Python is doing here. Now if we print the variable, it should be 2 now. Okay, so that's all I wanted to cover in this video. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.